Legends allow us to display standard symbols, annotations or graphical representations used in a project. This ensures that anyone reviewing the project can easily understand the symbology used. To get a better idea of how a legend looks, you can open a sample file and explore any of the legends available there. In this lecture, I'm going to teach you step by step to create a legend using simple examples and helpful tips. In this file, we are going to create a legend for the furniture I have in the first floor and also for the door symbology. I'm not going to add all the elements in the legend, because my goal is just to teach you how to do this process. In the View tab, there is an option to insert a legend. Let's click on Legend here. Then, choose a name for our legend. It can be Furniture Legend, for example. The scale, we set 1/50 in order to match the one in the floor plan. Click on OK, and the new view has opened. You can find it also in the Legends group in the project browser. And there were already a couple of legends by default that came in the template. Now, to insert the representations of the furniture elements, beds, cabinets, tables, etc., we go to the Annotate tab and click on Component, and then Legend Component. Now, to add the furniture symbols, go to the Options bar, click here on Family and select the item you want to add. Let's start with beds. First, I'm going to choose this bed in bunk. And if you are not sure about the family or type, you can always check it out on one of your views. It's simple. Then I will add this double bed and leave it aligned with the first one. Okay, this time I'm going to add a dresser. And now there is something I want to mention here. Look, this is the view of the dresser in the floor plan. It's just a rectangle, and probably that's exactly what I need. However, in a hypothetical situation, it could be more convenient to put a view of this dresser in the way that it appears in an elevation. And to do that, we click on this tab and switch to the view that we want to show. I have chosen Back Elevation. Okay, after adding the legend components, I can add text to indicate which symbol corresponds. I'm going to place the first one here and name it Bed Bunk. Then repeat the process for the next ones, and look that it's easy to place in line with each other. At the end, I can move each of the texts to be more in the center of the figures. Yes, text don't snap easy to another objects. I can just align them to the other text elements. So now you can insert legends in your projects. You can create new ones or edit the legends that already exist. For example, the doors one. In this template, there are originally these two texts. Then we can change them with the doors that we use in the project. And this time, let's place them in rows. You can see that each text is easily aligned with the others. And then, if we need a representation of the doors in an elevation, we can select all at the same time and switch to elevation there.